guys, welcome to Channel Beauty and Beyond. Today I'm going to be talking about a new launch from PAC Cosmetics, which is the tinted lip oil. Now, I generally do not buy makeup from PAC Cosmetics. I love their brushes and I also love their primer, moisturizer, but makeup is something I refrain from the brand PAC. But the moment I saw the launch of these and the pictures that they had given, oh my god, they looked so juicy on the lips and they looked so nourishing on the lips, and I was in for it. I mean, a lip oil, if it can look like a gloss, then that is it for me. Now, second thing that really attracted me, even though the price of these are a bit on a higher side, these are 795 rupees. The thing is that I saw the swatches and I saw the shades. They were so pretty. All the shades looked like something which would really go for everyday use. So I was like, yeah, I need that. However, right now Amazon is having their ultimate brand sale from 13th August to 17th August, and you get 50 to 80% off on a lot of brands. So you can buy this or any makeup product, skincare product at a discount. One thing that I noticed on their website is that the shade references are very similar, but of course it will look different on each individual depending on their lip color, their skin tone, and a lot of other things. I have pigmented upper lip, so this shade looks a little darker on me, but I love how pigmented this is because this has concealed the pigmentation of my lips. So right now it looks like I have a gloss on and it looks very shiny, which I like. Now let's read out the description of these lip oils. They say that this is India's most hydrating lip oil and it features a unique and revolutionary formula that glides on like a gel but beautifully sets as a comfortable lip oil. Available in 5 universally flattering shades and infused with hyaluronic acid, it hydrates and nourishes lips. This tinted lip oil leaves a subtle tint that will last all day long for a hint of color to your lips, feeling comfortable without feeling sticky or greasy. This lip oil also mildly plumps the lips over time to help them look fuller and healthier. Now, we saw really great points in here, but let me first swatch these products and then I'll tell you whether these points are true or not. And you can see it doesn't feel like oil, it feels almost like water, and even when I applied it, it felt like I'm applying something very watery. This is just one layer. I did not dip the applicator back into the product. This is how pigmented it is. Do you see how juicy my lips look? You can see this does leave a little bit of pigment. You cannot remove it like this. Now, of course, this is a lip oil, so it will transfer. But as you can see, only the oil or the gloss transfers, not the color. Let's try on this cotton pad. You see, no color transfers at all. It is only the gloss that will transfer because the tint is already settled on your lips. Now I'll just try to rub it with this cloth. You can still see the stain, and I think it is because of the shade that it looks like pan khaya hai. Let me try to remove this with this micellar water. It does get removed with the micellar water, but let's see if I can completely remove it. As you can see, 80% of it has gotten removed, but it still has that peachy kind of a color left. One thing I forgot to mention is that they do not get on your teeth like glosses. Whenever you wear glosses, you will see that it sticks to your teeth and you have to remove it over and over again. But this does not get into your teeth at all. Now that you've seen the swatches, let me tell you what I feel about these PAC tinted lip oils. Firstly, you saw that it glides so beautifully, as they have said that it glides like a gel formula, which is very true, and then it settles like a lip oil. The second point that they have mentioned is that it hydrates and nourishes your lips, which is absolutely true. You can see how hydrating my lips look, and also I do feel that it is very hydrating and it's very comfortable to wear. As they have said, it is not greasy, not sticky. Again, that is very true. When I'm pressing my lips, I don't feel any greasiness, any stickiness. It feels like I have something very watery on my lips. That would be the right word to describe these lip oils. These are very watery and very lightweight on the lips. Lip oil की तरह ये बिल्कुल feel ही नहीं होता है. It's like a watery tint. You know the Korean tint formulas? It is very similar to that, and I think they have cracked the formula. Now, when you apply this, it feels like you are applying cold water on your lips, like it has this cooling sensation, but that is very, very mild. And after some time, like after 10 minutes, it goes away. And also the point that they have mentioned, why they say that this gives you a little plumping effect, that is not true, because the sensation is very mild and it does not really have any plumping agent in it. So I don't think it gives any plumping effect. But this is a shiny lip oil, so of course if you look at my lips, it will look plump, but the effect is not there. My lips definitely look very healthy, and I feel even on the days when I have cracked lips, these lip oils are going to be very handy, because then it will nourish your lips and it will not look cracked. Also, one thing that I really like is that these are colored. I mean, these are tinted. So usually when I go out, I apply lip balms, especially of orange color, because I feel like orange color really goes well with my warm skin tone. Like this lip shade is going really well with my skin tone. But you know that when you eat something, or just naturally, these lip balms are not long lasting, so they just move away or wither away, and I am left with blank lips. But with this, as you can see, it has this tint. Even when you are eating or rubbing this with a tissue paper, the tint will still be there, so you will never have blank lips. And of course, you can reapply as many times as you want. By the way, this is 2 layers of this lip oil. Another point that I keep highlighting is that it looks like a gloss, and I have recently tried the Mrucha Beauty lip glosses or lip mills that they have launched, and this is far better than this one. Coming back to this, I feel like this shade, which is called Dream Girl, this plum kind of a shade, this is not for me. I felt like this is very dark for my choice. When I saw it on the model, it really looked beautiful on the model, but as I said that I have pigmented lips and also the skin tone matters, so this just came out to be very dark on my lips. Of course, I can use it when I'm wearing a full face of makeup, but when I'm not wearing any makeup and I want to go out, I don't think I will be picking this shade up. But the orange one, this one is my favorite. One problem I realized with the tint it leaves behind is that it is not uniformly distributed. So it looks like मैंने अभी पान खाया है या वैसा कुछ खाया है, and only the inner part of my lips are stained. The border of my lips look very blank and it does not look really nice. Coming to my verdict on these lip oils, will I buy them again? Absolutely. I'm planning on buying the pink shade because it looks really beautiful on the model. Actually, all the 5 shades that they have, they all look very beautiful, and that is the reason why I bought these in the first place. And I feel like this is going to be my new lip balm. Like, you know, whenever I go out, I'm not wearing any makeup, but I just want a little bit of color on my lips, this is gonna be it. One thing you need to remember is that the gloss or the shine or the feeling of the nourishment that I had when I applied it at first, it decreases with time. Like right now, I do not feel that this is as glossy or as nourishing as it was when I applied. So of course, it will keep decreasing with time, and that happens with every gloss, every lip balm, every lip oil. So that is not a big problem for me. It is still comfortable on my lips, but I'm just saying that it is better to keep reapplying in every 3 hours or 4 hours, whatever suits you. That is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, right now Amazon is having their ultimate brand sale from 13th to 17th August. So don't forget to check it out. I'll leave all the links in the description box. Right now, you can get products at 50 to 80% off, which is huge. Thank you for watching till the end. Let me know in the comment section below what you thought about this lip oils. I'll see you next week with another video. Take care till then. Tata.